Homeowners can avoid costly repairs by learning key DIY fixes that work like magic. Imagine having the power to fix a leaky faucet or patch a hole in the wall without hiring a professional. This is possible with the right knowledge and a few simple tools. For centuries, homeowners have relied on DIY repairs to save money and maintain their properties. One of the most effective DIY fixes is a patching compound made from a mixture of sawdust and wood glue. By applying this mixture to a hole in the wall, you can create a smooth surface that's almost invisible. But that's not the strangest part. The compound can also be used to fix damaged plaster and drywall. Wait until you hear what happens when you mix it with water to create a smooth paste. The resulting mixture can be applied to a variety of surfaces, from wood to metal to drywall. It's like a magic eraser, but instead of removing stains, it fixes holes and cracks. This phenomenon occurs when the mixture dries, creating a strong bond between the surface and the patch. The key to a successful DIY repair is understanding the underlying mechanisms of the fix. For example, a leaky faucet can be fixed by tightening the loose connection between the faucet and the sink. But that's not all. The repair also requires replacing the worn-out gasket with a new one. It's like replacing a car's tire. You need the right tools and materials to get the job done. By following these steps, you can fix a leaky faucet in under an hour without calling a plumber. But that's not the only DIY fix that's worth learning. Patching a hole in the wall is another crucial skill. The process involves applying a layer of patching compound to the hole, followed by a layer of joint compound. It's like building a brick wall. Each layer needs to be applied carefully to achieve a smooth surface. By following these steps, you can create a seamless finish that's almost invisible to the naked eye. This is the moment when the DIY patching repair compound comes together, starts to harden, creating a strong bond between the surface and the patch. This is the moment when the DIY patching repair compound comes together. By learning these DIY fixes, the impact of this DIY fix is not just cosmetic. It can also save you money and hassle in the long run. By learning these DIY fixes, you can become a master of home repair and maintenance. Want to learn more about DIY repairs and home fixes? Subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. And don't forget to like and comment below with your own DIY stories and experiences. We'd love to hear from you and share your stories with our community. So, what's the next DIY fix you want to learn? Let us know in the comments below. In the meantime, we'll keep sharing our knowledge and expertise to help you become a DIY master. And remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Use your DIY skills to make a positive impact on your community.
By sharing your DIY knowledge with others, you can create a ripple effect of kindness and generosity.
So, let's get started on our next DIY adventure and make a difference in the world. We're excited to share our next DIY fix with you. Stay tuned for more tutorials and tips. Generosity, and don't forget to subscribe and enable notifications to stay up to date with our latest content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Want to learn more about DIY repairs and home fixes? Subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips.